Hello friends, you're welcome to Scratch It with Prime again, and thank you for always coming back. For those who have subscribed to this channel, thank you, and for those watching us for the first time, you're watching with Scratch It with Prime, and do well to subscribe. And if this video helped you with what you want, like this video and leave a beautiful comment for us in the comment section. Okay, today we are still going to be working with another beautiful block in the motion category, and this is the if on edge bounce. What is if on edge bounce? Like the word say, that means if it is on the edge, you should bounce. So let's see how this block works. Now you're going to see if I keep clicking on the block, nothing happens. So how is it being used? Now let's join it to the move 10 step block, and let's see how it's going to work. So now I'm joining to the move 10 step. I want to increase my steps to 20 because 10 steps is just too slow. So now look at this. Now when I use the move 10 step, now the move 10 step help us to move, right? When I join into if on edge bounce, that means anytime it gets to the end, it should bounce back. So let's use it. Let me start clicking. Watch the sprites. Are you seeing what's happening? Are you seeing what's happening? So whenever it gets to the edge, it bounces back. Whenever it gets to the edge, it bounces back. I know so many of you have a concern. Why is it always turning upside down whenever you want it, whenever it gets to the edge? Now that is how it's being set. So if you want to stop that, come to the direction. And can you see this? Left and right. That means it shouldn't turn. Are you getting it? So this is what we are going to set. So when I click on this, so let's try it again. Are you seeing it? With that, you're no more turning anymore. Are you seeing it? So this is how the if on edge bounce, this is how the block if on edge bounce work. Okay guys, if you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, and leave a beautiful comment for us. And also, our other social media channel is in the description button, in the description section. Do well to follow us on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram. We also have beautiful content there. Bye for now, and we will always see next time. If you have any video you want us to do for you, leave it in the description button. And stay tuned